2016, the Chief Minister had the foresight to set plans in motion to establish the National History Museum. And for the past 2 years, the dedicated team at the Citizens Archive of Pakistan has been working to curate the museum. This is for the first time a museum in Pakistan that is dedicated to their vision, their mission, and in their memory.
It is, as I said, walking history. It's a great project where young boys and girls can come and learn and explore future potentials and move forward with great hope and great aspirations.